we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So we're diving into the world of automatic espresso machines today, comparing the Breville Oracle Touch, a renewed model, I understand, with the brand new KitchenAid. Thoughts?
Exactly. The Breville Oracle Touch, renewed, versus the KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine. The renewed aspect of the Breville is a key difference. It's professionally inspected to work like new, but at time is a returned or traded-in product.
Definitely something to consider. Let's see what each brings to the table. Okay, the Breville, they're touting third-wave specialty coffee at home with its touchscreen. It sounds like they're really aiming for that barista-quality experience.
KitchenAid's also going for ease of use with personalized drinks at the touch of a button. It boasts 15 recipe options: espresso, americano, latte, cappuccino, covering the bases.
The Breville has a dual boiler, which should give it superior temperature control for both brewing and steaming. It also automatically grinds, doses, and tamps 22 grams of coffee. That's a pretty precise dose.
KitchenAid's got automatic smart dosing to eliminate guesswork. It also has a built-in grinder to ensure the right volume and consistency for each drink. So both are focused on simplifying the grinding process. It really comes down to how much control you want, doesn't it?
Right. The Breville also features automatic microfoam milk texturing with a self-cleaning steam wand. Latte art, here we come!
The KitchenAid takes a slightly different approach. It uses a milk hose into a separate container. It still froths and heats automatically, but it's not quite the integrated system of the Breville.
The Breville lets you save up to 8 personalized coffees. That's great for households with different preferences.
KitchenAid lets you personalize and store recipes based on strength, length, and temperature. It sounds like similar customization options.
The Breville includes a mini grinds bin, filter baskets, a milk jug, and a cleaning kit. Lots of extras to get you started.
KitchenAid highlights its durable, metal-clad construction and a 2-year warranty. They're really emphasizing longevity and reliability. Plus, it's shipping within 1 to 2 months, so it's not something you'll get immediately.
So it seems like the Breville is offering a more hands-off, fully integrated experience, while the KitchenAid focuses on durability and ease of customization. The Breville is also currently unavailable, so that might make the decision for some people. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.